Something that's come up quite often in the Jeeping community is, can I tow with my Jeep? And that's not what this video is about. I do tow with my Jeep, and it's a 2018 Jeep JL. It has a 3.6 motor with an 8-speed transmission, and I'm running 513 gearing. Also 37-inch tires. I pull this tent trailer around with this deck on the front, and I've probably pulled this thing 10,000 plus miles over the last year and a half. Haven't had any issues. I pulled it with the 37s as well. And as you can see, it weighs 1,146 kilograms, which comes out to 2,526 pounds. It's got a 23-gallon water tank on it, so it takes it up to probably about 2,700 pounds with water. And in the past, I have put a dirt bike that weighed just under 300 pounds on that deck right there and pulled it around as well. The Jeep's rated at 3,500 pounds. I can pull 75 easily, although I'm more comfortable in the 65 to 70 range when I'm pulling. But that's not what the video is about today. Today's video is about this little bad boy right there. The Curt Echo wireless brake controller. The entire time that I've pulled this trailer and owned this trailer that I bought brand new, I've used that as my brake controller because I did not want to have to tap into the third brake light to control the brakes on the trailer.
In order to use the Bluetooth controller, you'll want to plug the device into the tow vehicle and then your trailer into the Curt Bluetooth controller. This goes between the tow vehicle and the trailer, and then you'll download an app onto your phone which will sync to this, allowing you to use the brake controller. Once your trailer is all connected up, go ahead and open up the Echo app on your smartphone. There's a couple of screens you have to tap to accept, and then give your app just a moment to sync with the Bluetooth controller. Next, choose which profile. You can have up to 5, and then go ahead and test your brakes. You can also adjust the max output and the sensitivity of the brake controller, just like the hardwired ones. Here you can see the brakes are being applied. Everything's connected and good to go.